Touch is a powerful tool in igniting desire and fostering emotional connection with a woman. It communicates your intentions and can make her respond to you both physically and emotionally. However, it's essential to understand that touching a girl should only be done with her consent. If she welcomes your touch, it can deepen your bond, but if not, respect her boundaries to avoid pushing her away. Finding the right balance is key to making her fall in love with you. Here are 7 ways to touch a girl to make her fall in love with you. 1. Gently touch her hand. When it comes to touching a girl to make her fall in love with you, starting with a gentle touch on her hand can set the stage for deeper emotional connection. This simple yet effective gesture can have a profound impact on her feelings towards you. The touch should be subtle and non-intrusive, conveyed through the soft brush of your fingers against hers, or the gentle contact of the back of your hand. Love hormone in her body. Oxytocin is associated with bonding and attachment, creating a sense of closeness and intimacy between two individuals. When you touch her hand, you trigger the release of oxytocin, making her feel connected to you on a deeper level. Moreover, this physical contact communicates your interest and attraction towards her in a subtle yet unmistakable way. It sends a clear signal of your intentions without the need for words, allowing you to convey your feelings authentically and sincerely. Have you ever noticed how a simple touch on her hand can elicit a smile or a subtle change in her demeanor? That's the power of touch in action. It has the ability to evoke positive emotions and create a memorable experience that resonates with her on a subconscious level. So the next time you're with the girl you're interested in, consider initiating a gentle touch on her hand. Pay attention to her response and the way she reciprocates. It could be the beginning of a beautiful connection that leads to something more profound. 2. Hold her hand. When the timing feels right and there's a mutual understanding between you and the girl, holding her hand can convey a sense of closeness and affection that goes beyond words. It's a gesture that signifies your desire to be physically and emotionally connected to her, creating a bond that strengthens your relationship. Imagine walking together at night, engaged in a pleasant conversation. The atmosphere is comfortable, and there's a sense of ease between you. In such moments, reaching out to hold her hand can electrify the air, adding a layer of intimacy to your interaction. You'll likely notice her smile widen, her steps becoming lighter, and her conversation flowing more freely, all signs of her positive response to your touch. In established relationships, holding hands becomes even more meaningful as it symbolizes your commitment and connection to each other. It's a silent yet powerful way of expressing your love and devotion, creating a sense of unity and partnership that strengthens your bond over time. So when you feel that the moment is right and there's mutual consent between you and the girl, don't hesitate to reach out and hold her hand. It's a simple yet profound gesture that can deepen your connection and pave the way for a more meaningful relationship filled with love and affection. 3. Touch her lower back. Touching a girl's lower back can deepen the emotional intensity of your connection and create a sense of intimacy between you. However, it's essential to approach this gesture with sensitivity and respect for her boundaries. This type of touch should be reserved for moments when you both feel comfortable and when there is already a level of trust established between you. It's a subtle yet powerful way to communicate your intentions and deepen your bond without words. Imagine walking together, perhaps exploring a new place or enjoying a romantic evening. As you guide her through a crowded street or show her a breathtaking view, gently placing your hand on her lower back can convey a sense of protection and closeness. Done with care and consideration, this touch can evoke a range of emotions in her, from comfort to excitement. Pay attention to her response when you touch her lower back. Does she lean into your touch, indicating that she welcomes your closeness? Or does she maintain her distance, suggesting that she may not feel comfortable with this level of intimacy? Respect her cues and adjust your actions accordingly, ensuring that she feels safe and respected at all times. Top of form. 4. Make eye contact and smile. Making eye contact and smiling is a subtle yet powerful way to establish a strong emotional bond with a girl. It's a non-verbal communication technique that can convey your interest, attraction, and warmth towards her without saying a word. Imagine being in a conversation with a girl you're interested in, As you lock eyes with her, you create a moment of connection that goes beyond words. The intensity of your gaze communicates your undivided attention and genuine interest in what she has to say. It also allows her to see into your soul, making her feel seen, understood, and valued. That when you accompany your eye contact with a warm and genuine smile, you'll further enhance the emotional impact of the interaction. A smile is contagious and can instantly brighten her day, evoking feelings of happiness, comfort, and trust. It also signals your positive intentions and creates a welcoming atmosphere for open and honest communication. However, it's essential to be mindful of the timing and duration of your eye contact. Staring intensely for too long can come across as intimidating or creepy, while avoiding eye contact altogether can signal disinterest or lack of confidence. Aim for a balance that feels natural and comfortable for both you and the girl, allowing the connection to develop organically. 5. Kiss her on the cheek. Kissing a girl on the cheek is a tender gesture that can convey a multitude of emotions and deepen your connection with her. However, it's important to approach this act with respect and consideration for her comfort and boundaries. This type of kiss is often seen as affectionate and intimate, yet less overtly romantic than a kiss on the lips. It's a way to express your admiration, appreciation, or fondness for her without crossing any physical boundaries. Imagine being in closeness with the girl you care about. Whether you're saying goodbye after a wonderful evening together or simply expressing your affection in a spontaneous moment, gently pressing your lips against her cheek can evoke feelings of warmth and tenderness, creating a sense of intimacy between you. The key to kissing a girl on the cheek is to ensure that she is receptive to this level of physical contact. Pay attention to her body language and verbal cues to gauge her comfort level. If she leans into your touch or smiles in response, it's likely that she welcomes your affection. However, if she seems hesitant or pulls away, respect her boundaries and refrain from pushing the gesture further. A kiss on the cheek can be a meaningful way to deepen your emotional connection with the girl you care about. It's a gesture that conveys your affection and admiration for her in a gentle and respectful manner, leaving her feeling cherished and valued. 6. Give her a warm hug. Giving a girl a warm hug is a gesture that can convey a multitude of emotions and deepen your connection with her. It's a physical expression of care, affection, and comfort that can leave a lasting impression and strengthen your bond. You picture a moment when you feel a strong sense of closeness and intimacy with the girl you care about. Perhaps you've just shared a meaningful conversation, overcome a challenge together, or simply found solace in each other's presence. And in such moments, wrapping your arms around her in a warm embrace can provide a sense of security and reassurance, creating a space where both of you feel understood and supported. A warm hug has the power to convey a range of emotions, from love and appreciation to empathy and compassion. It's a way to express your feelings in a tangible and heartfelt manner, without the need for words. When you hold her close, you create a moment of intimacy that strengthens your emotional connection and fosters a sense of trust and vulnerability between you. Moreover, a warm hug can have physiological benefits as well, such as reducing stress levels and promoting feelings of well-being. The physical contact releases oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which enhances feelings of attachment and bonding between individuals. As a result, both you and the girl you're hugging may experience a sense of calm and contentment, deepening your emotional connection even further. 7. Put your arm around her waist. Putting your arm around a girl's waist is a gesture that signifies closeness, protection, and emotional intimacy. It's a physical expression of your affection and connection with her, allowing you to create a sense of comfort and security that strengthens your bond. Imagine being in a moment of closeness with the girl you care about. Whether you're walking together, sitting side by side, or simply enjoying each other's company. As you draw her closer by putting your arm around her waist, you create a sense of physical closeness that fosters emotional intimacy. This gesture communicates your desire to be close to her and provides a sense of reassurance and support. By enveloping her in your embrace, you create a safe space where both of you can relax and be yourselves, free from the pressures of the outside world. Putting your arm around her waist also allows you to show your protective instincts and willingness to take care of her. Remember, the power of touch lies in how you use it. Respect her boundaries, gauge her comfort level, and deploy these tactics wisely to make her fall in love with you.